Features of Avo Genius. Welcome to this video, where you will learn about the features in Avo Genius. It will focus on the different functions performed when recording test steps and ways to modify them using the options available in Avo Genius. Let's dive into the video and learn more. On the Avo Genius console is the Maximize icon located at the top left corner, used to expand the console into a full window for a better view experience. Right beside the Maximize icon is an arrow or the Expand All icon, which expands and collapses the test step groups visible on the Avo Genius console. To the right of the screen, there is Pause and Resume button and Finish and Save. As the name suggests, the former resumes and pauses recording test steps from an AUT. When it is switched to pause mode, the test steps won't get registered on the Avo Genius console, even if users interact with the AUT. However, the steps will continue registering within the associated test step group once the button status is switched back to resume. This feature provides better control to the users when recording the test steps from an AUT by letting them decide which steps must be captured and which not. Next is the Finish and Save button that saves the captured test steps in a test case, making them ready for execution. Just below the Finish and Save button are two icons. One is Delete All, and another is Data Parameterization. The Delete All button allows to delete all recorded data in just one click. A point to note here is that the Delete All option is available only for web-type applications. The Data Parameterization icon is used to parameterize data within the recorded test steps for flexible execution. Moving ahead, clicking the ellipses across a test step opens a context menu with multiple options that can be performed on it to modify as required. The first option is Copy, that allows copying a test step from one test step group to another, enabling its reuse without capturing the same elements multiple times. Next is Paste, again self-explanatory. Lets you paste the copied test step into another test step group. These two options help save time on rework by enabling reuse of the same test steps. For further modifications, there is Edit Test Step option, which enables changing actions and input values within a test step. Next is the Delete Test Step option, which takes steps out from a test step group to remove unnecessary ones for a clean flow. You can also insert new steps using the Insert Test Step Above and Below options. Upon clicking Insert Test Step Above action, a new test step gets added right above the selected one, while Insert Test Step Below inserts right below it. To insert a test step at a specific position, you can use the Insert at Step Number option. Upon selecting this option, a pop-up appears where you can specify the test step number where you want to insert a new test step. These options are specially created to allow users to precisely add test steps at a required location without deleting or disturbing the entire flow of a test step group. Additionally, if an element was missed during recording or certain conditions need adding, you can manually create and insert it into a test step group using the Create Element option. A point to remember is when working with the Insert at Step Number option and Create Element options, you get a pop-up where you can specify the step number, element details, and choose an action for that element. You may also enter an input value if required in that test step. Well, that's about the different options in Avo Genius that help you efficiently manage and modify test steps to ensure a smooth and flexible test execution. Keep exploring Avo Genius to learn more and make the most of it.